Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about Review Bath. $500 Bath and Body Works gift card. Is it legit or just another scam? Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. ReviewBath.com invites visitors to apply as product testers by entering their email and completing 2 to 3 simple deals, then supposedly receiving a $500 gift card. Their landing page even shows a live feed of people claiming their rewards, creating a sense of urgency and trust. The red flags and concerns are the website owner hides their identity using a Whois privacy service. Scam Advisor notes a low trust rating and flags the domain as very young. It's marked as a threat by DNS filter within the past month. The site's domain registrar has a history linked to spam and fraud sites. The so-called simple deals often require signing up for third-party offers that might lead to unwanted subscriptions or marketing emails. And also, there's no clear customer support or contact info on the site. For the final verdict, ReviewBath.com raises several red flags typical of online gift card giveaway scams. While the site is technically secure with SSL, the lack of transparency, aggressive marketing tactics, and poor reputation strongly suggest it's best to avoid this offer. Don't risk your personal info or time on promises that sound too good to be true. If you want genuine gift cards or product testing opportunities, stick to well-known platforms with verified reviews. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.